This video is a tutorial on how to put backing on a fly reel. First, pull out a bit of backing to give yourself some room to work with. Then put the backing through the reel, wrapping around it twice. I find it easiest to just set the reel on a table and then thread it through the reel spool. Now, you will want to add a slip knot to your line. An easy and effective knot is the Duncan loop, and I have put a link to a tutorial on how to tie this knot in the description section of this video. Now that the knot is tied, go ahead and cinch it down tight to the reel spool. Seating this knot properly will keep the line from spinning, and therefore doesn't require tape like some people recommend. And then snip off the tag end tight to the knot. Now we will start spooling the backing onto the reel. Using one of these spooling tools makes short work of this task. These can be bought inexpensive online, or at your local fly shop, and they can help keep your fly line and backing from twisting. This one uses a suction cup to secure to the desk, so I put a piece of glass down to help keep it in place. Then simply start reeling the line onto your reel tightly, with a fair amount of pressure. Having your reel attached to the butt of a rod makes this easier as well. And make sure you move the line back and forth to spread out the line across the spool evenly. How much backing to put on your reel depends on the reel size in relation to the line size. Don't overpack the line, but also you want enough not to run out if a larger fish makes a hard run. Once you add enough backing, then snip your line. If you have extra, make sure and secure the line tightly to its spool before putting it away for further use. If you're not ready to attach the fly line onto your reel just yet, simply reel the line up into the reel and put away until you're ready for your fly line. And it's that simple. You can do this yourself, guys. For just a few bucks, pick up a spooling tool and some fly line backing.